and then we have to place it on the backdrop. Am I audible?
Yes.
It's better. Okay. This is how it is placed.
So दोन्ही करती, but the main part, the arm is operated by ear. So दोघांचे coordination जाय पडटा, pixels उकळून वर दवरपाक. एकटो चुकलो जाल्यार pixel सकयल पडटा आनी मागीर points वयता आमचे. कारण थंय time factor आसता. 2 minutes आसता आमकां हे करपाक.
Yes, the whole participation cost was around 4 lakhs, but there are like differences. So if I just talk about the hardware, it includes the motor and the rev, control hub, and the controls, the driver hub over there. That would cost something like 1.5 lakhs, 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. The rest of the body, because the team was new, those had to be ordered as well, but those could be 3D printed or custom made.
Some parts are Indian.
Yeah. The gripper is 3D printed, for example.
We'll guide them like so he's guiding us right now, like that. So that was the main reason why it kept the name Team Tank Infinity, because we had a lot of ideas, we were experimenting with it, and we did not want the club to end. So that was the main reason, Team Tank Infinity.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.